Heart palpitations. Heart palpitations are the sensation that your heart has skipped a beat or added an extra beat. It may also feel like your heart is racing, pounding, or fluttering. You may become overly aware of your heartbeat. This sensation can be felt in your neck, throat, or chest. Your heart rhythm may be changing during the palpitations. Some types of heart palpitations are harmless and resolve on their own without treatment, but in other cases, heart palpitations can indicate a series of conditions. Usually, a diagnostic test called ambulatory arrhythmia monitoring can help to distinguish benign from more malignant arrhythmias. Common causes. Heart palpitations can have causes that aren't due to underlying diseases. Examples include skipped heartbeats, variation with breathing, exercise, stress, smoking, use of marijuana, alcohol, or some medications. They can also happen when you're pregnant. In rare cases, palpitations can be a sign of more serious heart conditions. If you have often have heart palpitations, one should see your doctor. When to get immediate medical attention? Seek medical attention right away if you have heart palpitation and a diagnosed heart problem. Also seek medical attention if you have palpitations that occur with symptoms such as dizziness, weaknesses, lightheadedness, fainting, loss of consciousness, confusion, difficulty in breathing, excessive sweating, pain, pressure, tightness in your chest, pain in your arm, neck, chest, jaw, and upper back, and you have a resting pulse rate of more than 100 beats per minute and short breathness. These could be symptoms of a more serious condition. Diagnosing the cause of heart palpitations. The cause of heart palpitations can be very difficult to diagnose, especially if the palpitations don't occur while you're in the doctor's office or caught on the arrhythmia monitoring you wear. Your doctor will conduct through a thorough physical exam to identify a cause. Be prepared to answer the following questions: your physical activity, stress level, prescription medicine, use of OTC medication and supplements, health conditions, sleep pattern, caffeine and stimulant use, alcohol use, and menstrual history. Tests to help rule out certain diseases are blood test, urine test, stress test, and a recording of your heart rhythm for 24 to 48 hours during using an echocardiogram to check how blood flows to your heart. Treatments for heart palpitations. Treatments depends upon the cause of your palpitations. Your doctor will first need to address any underlying medical conditions. Sometimes, doctor will not be able to find the cause. If your palpitations are due to lifestyle choices such as smoking or consuming too much caffeine, cutting down or eliminating those substances will be all that you need. Home remedies for heart palpitations. Try relaxation techniques. Stress can trigger or worsen heart palpitations. That's because excitement can make your adrenaline spike. Managing your stress through relaxation can help. Good options include meditation, tai chi, and yoga. Try sitting cross-legged and taking a slow breath through your nostrils and then out through your mouth. Repeat until you feel calm. You should also focus on relaxing throughout the day, not just when you feel palpitation or a racing heart. Stop and take 5 deep breaths every 1 to 2 hours to calm your mind and keep you relaxed. Keep your gentle stress level low and can help you avoid episodes of fast heartbeat and lower your resting heart rate stress level. And also, biofeedback and guided imagery can also be an effective option. Number 2, do vagal maneuvers. The vagus nerve has many functions, including connecting your brain to your heart. Vagal maneuvers stimulate the vagus nerve and may help regulate fast heartbeat. You can stimulate the vagus nerve at home, but you should get your doctor's approval first. Here are a few ways you can stimulate the nerve. Take a cold shower. Splash cold water on your face. Apply a cold towel or ice pack to your face for 20 to 30 seconds. The shock of the cold water helps to stimulate the nerve. Chant the word Om or cough or gag. Hold your breath or bear down like you are having a bowel movement. For best results, perform the maneuvers while lying down on your back. Your doctor can show you how to perform them correctly. Number 3, drink water. Dehydration can cause heart palpitations. That's because your blood contains water. So when you become dehydrated, your blood can become thicker. The thicker your blood is, the harder your heart has to work to move it through your veins. That can increase your pulse rate and potentially lead to palpitations. If you feel your pulse climb, reach for a glass of water. If you notice your urine is dark yellow, drink more fluids to prevent palpitations. 4. Restore electrolyte balance. Electrolytes help to move electrical signals throughout your body. Electrical signals are important for the proper functioning of your heart. Some electrolytes that can benefit your heart health include potassium, calcium, magnesium, sodium. Avoid stimulants. There are many substances that make you more likely to have a fast heartbeat. Eliminating these things from your daily routine may lessen or even stop your symptoms. They include caffeinated beverages and food, tobacco products, excessive alcohol, certain cold and cough medications, appetite suppressant drugs used to treat mental illnesses, high pressure medications, illegal drugs. Your own triggers will likely be unique to you. Try keeping a list of things you consume that may cause your heart palpitations. If possible, avoid any items you think may be causing your symptoms and see if your symptoms stop. Talk to your doctor if you think any prescription medications may be causing your symptoms. Thank you.